Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni. You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Prime Minister will visit Lahore today. Prime Minister Imran Khan will be chief guest at inauguration of Miyawaki Urban Forest at Jilani Park. Bitcoin surged to all-time high after top banking firm embraces cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin jumped over 8% to an all-time high of $48,481 after Bank of NY Mellon said it had formed a new unit to help clients hold, transfer and issue digital assets. NAPRA okays 1.95 rupees per unit hike in all-power tariff for all consumers. The National Electric Power Regulatory Authority (NAPRA) approved an increase of 1.95 rupees per unit in power tariff, putting an additional burden of 200 billion rupees on consumers. Police probe lying snowman as cold-blooded murder case only to laugh later. Police in Amsterdam, thinking they had uncovered a cold-blooded murder, were left in hysterics after discovering their victim was in fact a snowman. Pakistani rupee continues rally against US dollar. The Pakistani rupee continued to strengthen against the United States dollar as it appreciated by 25 paisa against the greenback in the interbank. SSGC restores supply of gas in Quetta. Swiss Southern Gas Company Quetta restored the supply of gas after a few hours, which was suspended in some parts of provincial capital due to technical fault. Gold prices continue to fall in domestic market. Gold prices extended a downward trend in the domestic market for the second consecutive day, as per tola price of yellow metal decreased by 100 rupees to 1,11,850 rupees. Woman killed after getting dragged into meat grinding machine. In a horrific incident, a woman employee was killed after her hand got trapped in part of the machinery and she was pulled into a meat grinder in a poultry factory in Russia. Over 100 vehicle pile up kills at least 6, injures dozen in Texas. At least 6 people were killed and dozens more sustained injuries in a pile-up involving over 100 vehicles, including tractors, trailers on a slippery freeway in Fort Worth. One-eyed Cyclops puppy with 2 tongues and no nose stuns dog owner. A strange one-eyed puppy with 2 protruding huge tongues and no nose was born in the Philippines. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. And also follow us on Facebook. Take care and keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.